Did you know that there's a way to make text on your Android device larger and more readable without the need for a magnifying glass? I know, right? All you do is head to CyberGuy.com for a lot of these quick tips and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Now, on an Android, here's how you do this. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements, Font Size and Style. From here, you're going to be able to do the following. Change the font style itself, either using the pre-downloaded fonts or downloading more through the Galaxy Google Play Store by tapping the plus sign, Download Fonts button. So easy. Now, toggle bold font or drag the slider at the bottom of the screen to your preferred font size. It's just that easy. Head to CyberGuy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.